In the vast universe, a huge asteroid, AP7, is heading towards Earth. It's one of the largest, being between 1.1 kilometers to 2.3 kilometers wide. Elon Musk, famous for his work with SpaceX, warns us about this potential threat. His company could be key in protecting our planet by studying asteroids and finding ways to stop them. Musk's ambition to make humans a multiplanetary species might be essential for our survival. This asteroid's discovery is a wake-up call and emphasizes the need for better space technology. The label World Exterminator may resemble something from a sensationalist science fiction tale, yet it's a genuine classification in the realm of astronomy. Any asteroid larger than 1 kilometer in size is bestowed this fearsome title. Were such an entity to crash in with Earth, the fallout would be earth-shattering. Our planet would be shrouded in a haze of dust and pollutants catapulted into the atmosphere by the strength of the collision. These particles would persist for years, obscuring sunlight and inducing substantial decline in Earth's surface temperature. The result could be nothing less severe than a mass extinction event, the sort not witnessed on our planet for millions of years. But before you start worrying about the world ending, there is a ray of hope. Despite AP7's formidable size and destructive potential, it currently doesn't pose a direct threat to Earth. Although it intersects Earth orbit, it does so when our planet is on the opposite side of the Sun. Nonetheless, scientists caution that the asteroid's trajectory might evolve over time, possibly bringing it nearer to our planet's position in the centuries ahead. With the knowledge that we possess today, it's impossible to foretell with certainty what dangers AP7 could present in our far-off future. The unearthing of AP7 is not a solitary incident. The research team anticipates discovering more of these world exterminators in the upcoming years through their continuous survey efforts. Jay Tate, the director of the National Near-Earth Objects Information Center, remains undisturbed by the AP7, assuring us that Earth is indeed a tiny target within the immense emptiness of space. For the time being, the likelihood of a devastating impact is minimal. As he expresses it, the risk is not negligible, but reasonably low. The Double Asteroid Redirection Test, or DART for short, is a remarkable endeavor led by NASA. Its goal is simple, yet ambitious: to test if we can actually change the course of an asteroid headed towards Earth by physically impacting it. The spacecraft dedicated to this task was launched on November 24th of 2021. The expected rendezvous with its target, a dual asteroid system named Didymos, is scheduled for October 2022, or was scheduled. The Didymos system contains a larger asteroid and its teensy-tiny companion, Dimorphos. The target of DART's planned impact is Dimorphos, measuring about 525 feet in diameter. It's expected that this collision will modify Dimorphos' orbit around Didymos by roughly 1%. So DART is not just an experiment, it's a crucial stepping stone in our journey to build the necessary technology for defending Earth against potential catastrophic world-ending events. If DART is successful, it'll prove that a so-called kinetic impactor can indeed be used to change an asteroid's path. This kind of knowledge is vital for designing future missions aimed at averting the risk of asteroid collisions. In order to understand the Didymos system better, several ground-based telescopes are observing it continuously. They are collecting data about the system's various physical properties, such as its size, shape, and material composition. This information is extremely valuable, as it aids scientists in predicting the efforts of the DART impact. The idea of an Earth-killing asteroid heading straight for our planet is the stuff of nightmares. It's the stuff of blockbuster movies. Hollywood gets off on it. It's a scenario that humanity has grappled with in theories and simulations, but the prospect becomes terrifyingly real when considering the vastness of space and the number of unidentified asteroids whizzing about the cosmos. This is where the inspiring work being done by space organizations worldwide, and specifically by ambitious visionaries like Elon Musk, come into play. Mr. Musk, the renowned entrepreneur and founder of SpaceX, has been a leading figure in propelling human space exploration and technology forward. He has revolutionized the way that we perceive space travel, and he's given a new meaning on how we tackle cosmic threats. As we discuss the measures being taken to safeguard our planet, his contributions are worth acknowledging. His philosophy of proactively tackling challenges and pushing the boundaries of what's possible and what's realistic is a guiding light in our journey to deal with potential asteroid impacts. One of the key strategies being deployed against this threat involves a mission known as DART, or the Double Asteroid Redirection Test. This mission, much like Musk's SpaceX projects, is revolutionary, and it holds massive implications for Earth's safety. It aims to demonstrate the kinetic impactor technique, a plan involving the collision of a spacecraft with an asteroid to shift its trajectory. If this mission were to work as planned, it would prove that we have a tangible defense method against potentially hazardous asteroids that is something other than just Superman, which is the only source of hope that I find. This mission's success would be akin to Musk's achievements with SpaceX, transforming what was once a concept into reality. The DART mission has been making significant strides. In March 2022, the DART spacecraft accomplished a vital maneuver known as the Mars Gravity Assist. This advanced technique is reminiscent of Musk's Starship trajectory towards Mars. Just as Musk plans to establish a human colony on the Red Planet, the DART mission is using Mars as a stepping stone towards the ultimate goal of ensuring Earth's safety. In April of 2022, DART started receiving data from a tiny spacecraft named Lacia Cube, a part of the Italian Space Agency's mission. This companion to DART will document the momentous event when DART impacts with Dimorphos, much like the cameras on SpaceX's rockets capture their impressive landings. By May 2022, DART began analyzing data from the European Space Agency's Near-Earth Asteroid Rendezvous spacecraft. The spacecraft had made a significant journey to the asteroid Eros back in 2000 to 2001. The knowledge gained from this data is helping scientists to understand more about the Didymos system, home to the asteroid Dimorphos. NASA's double asteroid redirection test has successfully altered the orbit of asteroid Dimorphos, making the first international change in the motion of a celestial object and the first full-scale demonstration of asteroid deflection technology. Woo! Prior to DART's impact, Dimorphos took 11 hours and 55 minutes to orbit its parent asteroid Didymos. The collision on September 26th changed this to 11 hours and 23 minutes, exceeding NASA's minimum success benchmark of 25 times over. This success opens the way for future missions to protect Earth from potential asteroid collisions. Let me do it again. Woo! This mission, though filled with complex challenges, echoes the spirit of Elon Musk's ambitious endeavors. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our determination to protect our planet. Just as Musk's SpaceX is making a significant stride in space exploration and innovation, DART's mission is progressing excellently toward this target. It successfully collided with Dimorphos. The data collected from this mission is anticipated to be invaluable for planning future asteroid deflection missions. The thought of an asteroid hurtling towards Earth is undeniably daunting, but the impressive work done by organizations like NASA and individuals like Elon Musk give us hope. The DART mission stands as the example of our potential to counter such celestial threats effectively. So the work Musk is doing with SpaceX, launching rockets, aiming to colonize Mars, building the Starlink internet network, all of these endeavors serve to better equip humanity for the challenges that the cosmos throws our way. Whether it's setting up human colonies on Mars or safeguarding our own planets from asteroids, the common thread here is the spirit of innovation, the spirit of daring, and a refusal to accept defeat. As we face the cosmos and its vast uncertainties, we are not powerless. With each rocket launch, with each successful mission, with each new discovery, we're stepping into an era where we are no longer merely observers of the cosmos, but active participants in it. This spirit fuels missions like DART, but also the endeavors of Elon Musk and SpaceX. We are witnessing the first pages of a new chapter in human history, one written with rocket fuel and stardust. It's a narrative filled with hope. It's a narrative filled with excitement and determination where we not only dream of the stars, but we also strive to reach them. And the story's far from over. In fact, it's just beginning, and we all got our part to play. Undoubtedly, this cosmos is a vast arena full of wonders and threats. The spectacle of twinkling stars, grand galaxies, and the celestial ballet of planets is enough to make us both feel incredibly small and privileged to be a part of such grandeur. However, with this immense beauty comes formidable challenges. Asteroids, comets, supernova, black holes, they're all just some of the cosmic hazards we share our universe with. As we step further into this grand cosmic theater, it becomes crucial to understand these threats and devise ways to safeguard our teeny tiny blue dot, Earth. Picture a comet, often termed as a dirty snowball of the cosmos. These are clusters of ice, dust, and rock that revolve around the sun in elongated orbits. As a comet gets closer to the sun, its ice evaporates, creating a glowing trail that can span millions of miles. Although a mesmerizing spectacle, a comet on a collision course with Earth could lead to significant disaster. The universe also presents us with the explosive power of a supernova. So supernova is the result of a star reaching the end of its life cycle and exploding with real big force. This explosion unleashes enormous amounts of energy that can travel across the cosmos. If such an event occurs near Earth, it could damage our protective ozone layer, allowing harmful radiation to penetrate our atmosphere. Among the most mysterious and daunting threats in the cosmos are black holes. These are regions in which space and gravity is so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape its pull. The prospect of a black hole forming near Earth is just gone. We're gone. That's almost too frightening to contemplate. It would inevitably draw everything towards it, including the Earth itself, and, to add a little bit of humor to it, I imagine all of humanity would get swept up into a silent thump. So yes, the universe presents us with its fair share of challenges and threats, but we're not just passive spectators in this cosmic drama. We are actively working, learning, and innovating to ensure that we make it, we live. This endeavor involves studying the universe in more depth, discovering more about its dangers, and developing technologies to help, to shield ourselves, to fend off the unfendable. However, it's not just about survival. It's about acknowledging that we're part of this grand cosmic tapestry, and we have a responsibility to protect and nurture it. In our quest to ensure Earth's safety, we gotta strive for coexistence harmoniously with the universe, fostering a sustainable future for generations to come. Beyond these immediate cosmic threats, we also grapple with several other universal challenges. Space, with its infinite vastness, poses a significant hurdle. Even if we could travel at the speed of light, it would take us millions of years to journey from one star to another. This incredible scale complicates our efforts to explore the cosmos and discover potentially life-supporting planets. Also, the extreme conditions of space present additional challenges. The vacuum, extreme temperatures, and high radiation levels make prolonged survival in space an arduous task. Moreover, other planets in our solar system, at least those that we know of, aren't as conducive to life as Earth. This raises the pressing issue of resource scarcity if we were to colonize other planets. Despite these formidable challenges, we are making remarkable strides in space exploration. We've sent probes to all the planets in our solar system, even reaching as far as Pluto. New technologies are under development to facilitate journeys to distant stars, to distant planets. With each passing day, we are inching closer and closer to finding planets that could harbor life and enhance the prospect of colonizing new worlds. The journey of safeguarding our planet, just like the journey of colonizing Mars or the journey of exploring the universe, is fraught with challenges. However, in the immortal words of Elon Musk, when something is important enough, you do it, even if odds aren't in your favor. This quote encapsulates the spirit driving us forward. We are not deterred by the odds. We are motivated by the importance of our cause. In the grand scheme of things, we're just a small part. We're a blip. We're a teeny tiny little in the vastness of space. But it's this small part that we call home. It's this small part that we are striving to protect. And in this endeavor, we are not alone. Together with the brilliant minds of people like Elon Musk, with the technological prowess of organizations like SpaceX, and with, most importantly, the unyielding spirit of humanity, we stand ready to face whatever the universe throws our way. For the love of our planet, for the survival of our species, and for the future of life as we know it, we will continue to innovate, to explore, and to reach for the stars. Thus, as we carry out our solar circumnavigation, be comforted by the fact that watchful eyes are ceaselessly scanning the heavens, prepared to detect any threats hurling towards us from the cosmic void. The discovery of 2023 AP7 serves as a stark reminder of our humble place within the universe and our shared determination and inventiveness when confronted with potential cosmic catastrophes. After all, the best way to ensure our survival in this awe-inspiring cosmic drama is to persist in exploring, to continue learning, to never, ever, ever stop learning, and to never cease to gaze towards the stars. And the cosmos we live in, it's an expansive, endless entity filled with stars, planets, galaxies, and also countless asteroids. But these asteroids aren't just distant specks floating harmlessly in the vast expanse of space. They occasionally come real close to hitting us, Earth. Although most of these celestial bodies are minuscule, not larger than a grain of sand, some are enormous enough to lead to catastrophic consequences upon collision, world-ending events, and everywhere in between. We've had several close shaves in the past where colossal asteroids just whiz by our planet, narrowly missing it. Let's take a detailed journey into the world of near-Earth asteroids and the understanding of their potential dangers. One such asteroid, named 2008 TC3, made its dramatic appearance in October of 2008. This rocky body was approximately the size of your everyday refrigerator, and it swiftly entered the Earth's atmosphere before meeting its fiery end over Sudan. We barely had a few hours' notice of this impending visit, since the asteroid was only identified shortly before the event. Had 2008 TC3 made a direct hit on the ground instead of disintegrating in the atmosphere, that could have led to a lot of damage. Another incident took place in January 2014, involving the asteroid known as 2014 AA. This hulking piece of rock, equivalent to the size of a bus, undertook a cosmic journey that brought with it a mere 27,700 miles of our planet. Discovered only a handful of days before its closest approach, 2014 AA's impact could have led to severe damage had it actually collided with Earth. In March 2018, Earth had a close encounter with asteroid 2018 LA. As big as a house, it whizzed by our planet at an uncomfortably close distance of 25,600 miles. The asteroid was spotted only a few hours before it made its closest approach. That devastation that it could have caused when it had collided with Earth is unfathomable. It's real big. October 2019 saw the asteroid 2019 MO coming uncomfortably close to Earth. This space rock, about the size of a football field, came within 23,000 miles of our planet. Even though it was identified just a few days before its closest approach, the potential for global devastation it carried cannot be overstated. Lastly, let's discuss the asteroid 22EB5. In February of 2022, this celestial body, about the size of a car, flew past Earth within a distance of 1,800 miles. Detected only a few hours before its closest approach, the asteroid could have caused a lot of damage had it actually struck Earth. Now, the instances mentioned above are just a few amongst many when Earth had close brushes with these space boulders. We've been fortunate so far that none of these celestial bodies have actually made contact. However, it's not a question of if, but when a large asteroid will collide with Earth, leading to devastating outcomes. Beyond these near misses, many more asteroids are currently predicted to be on a collision course with Earth. NASA estimates over 20,000 asteroids, each larger than 100 meters in diameter, pose potential threats to our planet. Approximately 1,000 of these are categorized as potentially hazardous asteroids due to their high probability of impacting Earth. Even though the chances of an asteroid hit are relatively low, the aftermath would be cataclysmic. A substantial asteroid impact could result in widespread death and destruction, and possibly trigger drastic climate changes on a global scale. We all know how we love climate change. Even in the face of an intimidating cosmic challenge like an asteroid impact, we gotta remember that we're not standing idle. Various preventative measures are currently being developed and implemented to lessen the risks associated with asteroid collisions. Notably, among these, pioneering the technological advancements to counteract these cosmic threats in NASA, and parallel to them, business magnate and space enthusiast Elon Musk with his company SpaceX. One potential solution to the asteroid dilemma echoes the same audacity Elon Musk is renowned for: the utilization of nuclear weapons. The idea, while seemingly drastic, is to harness the immense energy of a nuclear explosion to break the asteroid into smaller fragments, effectively neutralizing the threat. However, as Musk himself has highlighted when discussing Mars colonization, nuclear technology has a lot of risks such as radiation release, making this method a last resort. Nonetheless, the concept remains on the table for further research and development. Another futuristic concept under development shares similarities with Musk's vision for space exploration, and it's called a gravity tractor. This technology involves deploying a spacecraft to gently tug the asteroid off its trajectory, using nothing but the gravitational attraction between the two bodies. This method is still in its early development stages, but it holds a lot of promise. It resonates with Musk's philosophy of working with the laws of nature, demonstrating that sometimes brute force ain't the only way to do it. Although I guess pulling on something really hard is another form of brute force, instead of just punching it, kind of like dragging it. Whatever. Well, don't worry about it. With successful development, this could serve as a less destructive and more controlled way to deflect asteroids, mirroring the precision seen in SpaceX's Falcon rocket's landings. There is another potential defense strategy in play that seems akin to Musk's style: kinetic impactors. These are spacecraft specifically designed to collide with an asteroid, altering its trajectory, much like a cosmic game of billiards. This game is more straightforward and more cost-effective, aligning with Musk's vision for making space more accessible through economic viability. However, it may not provide the force necessary to significantly divert the path of larger asteroids. Despite this, it remains a part of the arsenal that we're developing against asteroid threats. In the quest to prevent asteroid impacts, there is no guaranteed strategy. The task is filled with technical hurdles, unpredictable variables, and the vast uncertainty of the vast cosmos. Challenges that Elon Musk and SpaceX are all too familiar with in their pursuit of interplanetary travel. Yet, it's these challenges that continue to drive innovation, forcing us to think bigger, to aim higher, and never stop improving, a mindset that Musk continuously promotes. The development of these asteroid deflection technologies stands as a beacon of hope, akin to how Musk's SpaceX inspires dreams of a future beyond our own planet. These initiatives reflect humanity's tenacity, their creativity, and relentless effort to safeguard our home planet, just as Musk's endeavors symbolize a bold commitment to securing humanity's future, whether on Earth or on Mars. Just as Elon Musk is preparing us for a future amongst the stars, these asteroid deflection strategies are part of our preparations to ensure that our home planet remains safe and protected. Our voyage through the cosmos is fraught with challenges, but as we continue to innovate and forge ahead, we grow increasingly ready to meet whatever threats may come our way. In the face of potential asteroid threats, the work is being done by visionaries like Elon Musk and organizations like SpaceX, and that work is, I can't understate or overstate how crucial that work is. So, what are your thoughts on the efforts to protect our planet from cosmic dangers? Let us know in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating videos. He said, like a certified intellectual.